You know what? Earlier I used to think that creating a website in 3D requires lots and lots of complex coding, lots and lots of complex integration, and of course an ample amount of time. But as of right now, we are living in the era of AI. We are living in the era of plugins. We are living in that era where we have tools, and we have tools for each and every functionality that we think of. And today I'm going to use one of that tool, and I am going to integrate that tool with Figma, and I am going to create this website. Let me try once again. I am going to create this website. Let me try one more time. I'm going to create this website. Yeah, we will be creating this landing page within just few clicks, within just few minutes. Well, I'm not kidding. If you think I'm kidding, you better watch this video. Let's see. Let's create. Let's go. Alright, so right now I am on my Figma canvas. First of all, let us add a frame to it. The size would be around 100% width. It would take 100% width. It would be centered, and it would take 100% viewport, so viewport height. Now we will snap this to fit content, so whatever we will be creating, it would be visible and it would be adjustable regarding the devices that you work on. Let me change the color to something dark that we have on our screen. So this is the frame. We can just name it hero frame, and let me add a text to it. So let's say I have already copied, I guess, and I have this text also. Right now it's showing it's black in color. Let me change the color to white, and so it's not in the frame. Alright, so we are here on our hero frame. Right now we will be adding a text to it. It would be, let us say, creating 3D designs. What's happening? Using Figma X Spline. Alright, so we have this. Make sure it's inside this hero frame, and we'll center it and give the width around 800. Let's keep the width around 800, and let's change its weight to bold, I guess semi bold. Yes, okay. Let's align it to center and have some spacing. Okay, now I will be adding a frame to it, so that whatever things we will be working on, we will be adding a button as well. This would lie under this frame, so we will press F and add frame to it. I will make sure the things are absolute and it's fit content on both sides, and will give I will just stack this to top and give a top padding of, let's say, about 80 as of right now. Okay, 80. Things can be changed later on. Let me remove the spacing. Right now let's create a button. So again we will press F, create a random frame. Let me keep the width of button about 160 and height maybe around 54. It could be 180. Yeah. Let me give some corner radius to it as well, because this is what's in the trend right now. And let's press T and let's say explore. Let's explore, and we'll reduce the size to around 18. Keep it center middle, and give a nice color, white color to it, and change the text color. Let's increase the size as well. 20 is okay, and keep it regular, and change the color to this black, right? And this can be named as button, and let's move this into this stack so that we have, now it's increased the padding as well for 24. So the section 1 of it, section 1 is created as of right now. We have created the hero title as well as the button as well. Now we will move on to our next step. The next step is adding the 3D from the spline tool. So we are here on our spline.design website. This is the website where you can find 3D elements, for example 3D text, interactive 3D experience, or 3D character design, 3D iPhone mockups, and many more. And you can just create 3D elements of your choice as well. You can just create one, or if you want some inspiration, if you want to create or choose any free one, so you can just head over to the community, Spline community, and here you can find lots of templates, free templates available, so that you can always begin with as for an inspiration. Right now we will select this photo, Real Earth. This is by rocket powered milk truck. Thank you. Once you open this, you can find this kind of an interface where you can always interact how this 3D element works. And for getting this onto our Framer canvas and getting this onto our website, we need to remix this. Once you click on this remix, the interface of this particular canvas, this particular element will open up. It's kind of a large file as well, so it might take few minutes, it might take few moments as well. Alright, so it has loaded and we are here on our canvas. I will not talk much about what the canvas is all about. Overall, at one glance you can see it's kind of similar to Figma or Framer or Webflow that we use. So it's kind of similar kind of stuff, but maybe in later videos we will dive deep more into what's Spline and how you can create things on Spline. Now we will talk about exporting, how we can export it from here and embed that thing in our Framer side. So we'll go on to this export button. You can find various ways of exporting, like as an image, as a video, or for Vision OS as well. But right now we will move on to this viewer part, viewer integrated embed, and we will copy the embedded code. It will take few seconds for loading as well, because it's kind of a big file, and we can just change the settings as well. So if you want Spline logo to be visible, the logo will be visible. If you want loading animation or something, and so it's okay. So it's loaded, and we will copy this embed thing. So once you have selected this, it will showcase this positive message, another good UX. And then we will move on to our framework canvas. Alright, so we are here on our framework canvas. Now it's time to finally add the 3D element that we copied from the spline here. Now, first of all, we will search for this embed option so that you can add 3D to it. You can add 3D element to it, and we'll just change the placing. And if you scroll down here, you can find an option of adding a URL or adding an HTML. URL is the public link that will be provided there, but right now we have copied the embedded code, so we will just paste that code that we had here, and within just few moments the 3D thing has appeared on your frame, and you can see it's kind of functional as well. And just increase the height of it so that we can see it in full effect, and we'll now move on to the preview thing. Alright, so we have added the 3D element to our framer site. Now that's it, that's the hero section that we have created, and it was just a matter of few clicks. It was just a matter of few minutes that we have added a 3D component and we have created it functional. Now if you want to publish, you can just publish it as well, so that you have a 3D site created, a 3D site designed without writing a single line of code, kind of pasting a link of code. So that's it from my side today. I bet you that you will just create a 3D going website, 3D live website, and I guess I won the bet. If you have any questions, if you have any queries regarding it, you can just put it in the comment and I will be more than happy to answer it. If you have any other hacks or any other tips regarding 3D or whatever 3D integration and design have, so the comment section is also open. I have also provided my social media links. We can connect and we can discuss about it as well. So this was it from my side. Well, this seems to be a complex problem, right? And what is the motto of our channel? The motto of our channel is to provide you with those kind of concepts, those kind of solutions. Being a UX designer, being a UI designer, you have that job of providing or converting complex solutions into easier ones, and this is what I aim for. This is what this channel aims for. This channel aims for providing complex solution into easier format, because web designing is simple. Let's keep it simple. Thank you.